You can trade 0 DTE SPX options and make money almost every day consistently. I know you can. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact trades that I made in the 0 DTE SPX options, and I'm going to show you when I made them on the chart and exactly how much we profited. Hey guys, Darren here. We have a great video for you here today. But first, before we get started, if you can do me a favor, please hit that like and subscribe button so we can get this video out to more people. It really helps out the channel and I appreciate it. So thank you very much. I think it's super important that we understand the strategies that the rich are using to get richer. Then we can use those same tools and strategies to profit for ourselves safely in any market. Be sure and download the free options workshop in the link below. It talks about the two main advantages of trading options over buying stocks alone outright. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner. I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I do recommend you start small. Okay guys, it's about 7:12 a.m. so it's been 42 minutes since the market's been open, and I'm in California, so West Coast time, so what is that, 10:10 East Coast. But we put on a few trades and you can see we're down 250 right now, and the last one we did make 240. I'll go ahead and show you what I've got here. You've got, we did you can see yesterday we lost $88 after so many trades, but we were up earlier in the day. But today we started off, we were down, we were going with puts because we opened down, and you can see the 13-day and the 50-day. Right now we are in a put, and here's the open right here, and the market is it's kind of consolidating here. We had a drop. I was thinking lower lows. We went up, we hit where we opened and dropped back down, so I was looking for a big pullback, and now it looks like, yeah, we're hoping for some red candlesticks moving down right now. Let's go to so we were down, and then we, on the put here, we made 240 on the last one, and you can see that right here. And now we've got one on that the 5065 put we put on at 708, and it is currently down $75. So this is the put that we have on. So I'm hoping that this pushes off. You know, we touch the 13 touches the 50, and then we continue to move down. And on this Moo chart, the 13 is the yellow and the red. So the yellow is still below the red, the 13 below the 50, and then the green is down, which is the 5-day, moving lower. So we're looking for red candlesticks and a continuation down. So that's where we're at right now. All right, guys, we're fighting here. Let's see, we are down 475. We've had been stopped out on a lot of things, so we're looking to make a comeback here. Wow, big cucumber. But we had a double top back to where we started the day. I've got this cross right here where we started the day, so maybe it's going to be a triple top, and then we've got it. I'm looking for a breakdown. I'm playing the puts today because we started opening down and we were trending down, but now we've had a couple of tests. So this is going to be a big point to see if we can break through that or not. If we hit it again and come down, we should be in good shape. But right now I've got one on that we're down 140 and bought it at 810. It's down 655, so it's moving up. I don't want to put the stop on just yet until we hit that triple top point, if we're gonna do it, because you know the buyers and sellers are kind of fighting. But I'm looking for the sellers to win out and it to move down. So that's where we're at. Maybe I'll even drop my stop loss lower. Jeez. Wow. And then I'll look to move it up as we move. But again, I don't want to sell out before we hit this triple top and see if we're really going to move down. So that's what we're playing with right now. Okay, guys, we might look like we were going to get the little run that we were hoping for down, but now we've just hit the bottom of the Bollinger Band, the white line there, and now it's popping back up, but seem to be in a consolidation mode here, a larger one, and here's where we put on this big candle looking for a big down move. We were in puts, but you can see we're still at that range, but with SPX, the time to decay kind of gets us. So the fact that we've had that on since 727 and now we're at 741 with SPX, it kind of gets us, but we're down $30 in this trade right now. So we'll continue to hold on and see if this pushes down. Still continuing to get a little push down, looking for continuation. Up $65 on this trade right now. What I will do is put my stop loss, get ready to, we always want to be ready to move it up behind. See, we're at 850 is what it's trading for. I could do it at 830, but I think that's around where we bought it. Yeah, we bought it at 810. So once we get up to, you know, in the $9–10 range, if it gets up there, then I'll definitely move this up closer to get ready to sell. So that's kind of how we let our winners run. We don't want to get too close, but we want to give it room. We're continuing to creep down. Right here, we got up to 950 there. I'm glad I didn't put it on. I would have got stopped out. Glad I didn't move it up, but we're still watching, still fighting, but we're trending down. We've got the green, the 5-day below the 13 and the 13 below the 50. We were moving in the right direction. Now we just kind of looks like we hit a bottom. Okay, I just got stopped out for a $30 winner. Yikes. Didn't want to get stopped out, but it's been almost an hour that we were in that trade. So now we're down 320 for the day. You can see the big drop down, and I got stopped out right here. So if we look at the chart, we put on the trade the trade back here, just got stopped out here. So gonna mark that, put it in red, close, put 30 winner down for day, and we're 320 total now. All right. Hey, at least it was a winner. And we moved up. So now we can kind of look for the next play. All right. All right. We had a big run up right here from the bottom. Went up to here. We've still got the 5-day and the 13-day below the 50-day. And with that move up, I just put on another one. So we are again in puts, 520, break even, down 320 for the day. So we'll look to close out this position Actually, let's see. Yeah. So we'll want right click, close. We'll do a stop limit, but we don't. Yeah, we have 520, so we'll move that up if we get a run. And it looks like we've got a little bit of one down. There we go. I think I'm going to let that run a little bit further down. Yeah, we're up 60 bucks. Maybe put it there just so we don't lose money. Now we know we're going to be profitable. We don't want to get stopped out. And if we get a further run down, which I'm hoping for because we're getting lower lows, lower highs. So you can see we're trending down from the open consistently. And we've got the green, then the yellow, then the red. So this is a bullish position, and we're moving down to the lower end of the Bollinger Band. So this is how we let it run. We've got our stop loss on it, 550. So what we want is a big run down. There we go. Big red pepper. Keep going. Look, up 120. Let's replace that. Let's move that up to 650. There we go. We'll still let it run, but at least we're locking in that profit. It's going to get cut any big move, but this is how we make money, guys. Big runs. Let's move it up as we go. We're at 650 stop right now. Probably going to get stopped out, but that's okay. Yep, we did. 640. All right, we made some good money back on that one. Now we're down 200. We made 120 on that. That's how it's done. We'll look for our next run and look to get back to even and then turn positive. Okay, guys, so we just had a big run. That just got stopped out at 690. So that's what can happen. Let's see where we're at. So we're up 70 bucks for the day. Wow. So we so we made it back. Now we're going to look to go up more on our next run. But let's review what happened. So I bought a put. We're trending down. Here's the open. We were trending down here, and I bought a put here, and it moved up against me above the 50-day. Bought another put, so it was long. Still moved up, but it hit that trend line going down, and then just collapsed when the 13 surpassed the 50. And you can see the same thing here on Moo, and we're still in a bullish position going down. So I will again look for a move up to that 50-day, the red line, and then put on another set. But as you can see, we were down pretty big before this, and now we've worked our way back, and we are up $70 on the day, but we just made $270 on those, and we have nothing on. So we'll look for the next one now. Okay, made a couple more trades, guys. You can see this one right here was a break-even zero. So this was after the 270 winner, and then just made another 60 bucks. So we're up 130 on the day. This was at 939 to 942, and we can look at where that was. We're still trending lower. I drew a trend line, But when we had this jump up, I put one on, but then got washed out too earlier. Otherwise, I would have had a big win. Put another one on right here because we were breaking this low for the day. Once we broke through that, I put it on and got stopped out right here. That was the 60-day or $60 winner. So now we'll look for a push up, and if we can get a push up near the 50-day moving average, I'll put another one on, or if we can get near this trend line, we're still trending down. I'll look to put another put on, but I'm sticking with the puts today because we are down trending on a losing day. So I'm looking for a move up and then to get it. Here's the Moo chart as well, and you can see the 5-day moving average is below the 13, which is in the yellow, and then below the 50 in the red. So yeah, I want to see this push back up to the 50 and then get the start of a red candle. There's your red candle right there. But it's not quite high enough for me. I'm going to look for a little bit more of a push up and then put that on. We're still in the oversold, the lower end of the white Bollinger Bands. Okay, guys, we just closed out of a couple more trades. So I had a put that I put on at 10.07 and the one at 10.27, and I had an average tiered price of 565. Ended up selling both of them for 660. Got stopped out. So we made 190 on the trade, and we're up 320 on the day. So let's look. We closed out at 10.29, and if we look at the charts, here's the first one I put put on at 10.06. Second one, so that was around this range, and then it moved up. I put a second one on here because we were approaching that trend line and I saw the red, so put a second one on, and then we closed out probably on this one around 10.29, but let's take a look exactly when we closed. Yep, 10.29. So I'm going to put a mark there, and we'll make that a red. And then I'm going to put a little, this is how I keep my notes of the trading day, and it's good to know so you can go back and look at the end of the day and see what you did right and what you did wrong. But closed both for, it was 190 profit. Yeah, 190 profit, up 320 for the day. Or 190 profit and up 320 for day. All right, there we go. Okay, unless we don't have a big run up, I've got to leave in the next 15 minutes. This is probably going to be it for me for the day, but nice. We made 320 for the day. And not that much time. There's still 2.5 hours left in the trading day. But I wish I could keep going, but I've got a lunch meeting. But again, Monday we lost 88. So now we're up for the week in the profit zone. And my goal is 500 to 1,000 a day. So want to work our way there, but that's going to be it for today. All right, guys, we made some decent money today, not as much as I thought, but we were profitable. So thanks for hanging in there and watching the full video. I put a link down below for the free options workshop. Be sure and grab that. Leave a comment. Let me know any questions that you have. I answer every one. Remember to hit like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video, and have a great day trading.